Hey developers, and welcome to another video about installing Tailwind CSS in a Vue 3 application. So if you have been following me for a few months, you may have already seen this video create a Vue.js application and install Tailwind in it, but that was with version 3.2 and since the version 4.0 the things has been changed and I decided to create a brand new video for that. So before we start, you just have to make sure you have already installed Node.js. If not, then go to nodejs.org and install the latest version. Once you have installed the latest version, then you are good to go, and let's go to vite.dev. So the very first thing you have to do is to go to vite.dev and click on get started. So here you can find all the templates, but we have to scroll down and copy this command npm create vite at latest and open your terminal. So let me open terminal window. So here we have to paste that command and press enter. So it is asking for the project name, so I will go with Vue Tailwind. Once you press enter, it will ask you to select the framework. So we are going with Vue.js, so select Vue and press enter. And it will ask you if you want to go with TypeScript or JavaScript. So you can select the TypeScript, but I will go with JavaScript. So now it says we have to change the directory, and let's go with cd vue and tailwind. So here we have to run npm install. So type npm space install and hit enter. So it will start installing all the dependency required to run Vue.js application. So after all the dependencies has been installed, you will see a confirmation message something like this. So now we just have to make sure our Vue.js application is working. So run npm space run space dev and hit enter. So it will start the project, and you can view the project on localhost 5173 port. So let's open this. So as you can see, the Vue.js application is working fine. So let's go to the documentation of Tailwind CSS. So as you can see, I have version 4.1, which is the latest version as of now. So click on get started, and here on the first tab you will see using Vite. So the very first thing we have to do is to copy this command npm install Tailwind CSS and add Tailwind CSS / Vite. So this is the plugin we have to install. So let's go back to the terminal. Let's close this project and let's paste that command and hit enter. So it will install the Vite plugin for Tailwind CSS. So as you can see, the Vite plugin has been installed. So let's make sure we have the dependency in package.json. So let me open this folder in VS Code. So let's go to the package.json. So here in the dependencies, you can see we have Tailwind CSS and add Tailwind CSS / Vite. So the plugin has been installed successfully. So let's go to the documentation one more time. So here it says we have to import the plugin and use Tailwind CSS plugin in our vite.config.js. So just copy this one and let's go to the code one more time. So here we have to find vite.config.js. So here after view we have to add a comma and paste whatever we have copied. So let's import this one. So we have imported Tailwind CSS from the plugin and we have used in our plugins array. So let's save this file. So now we have to copy this directive and paste in our CSS file. So let's copy this one and let's go back to the code one more time. So here we have to find CSS file. So here is our CSS file, and let me remove everything from here and let's paste this directive. And now we can use all the Tailwind CSS classes. So let's go to app.vue and let's remove everything from here. Let's remove this CSS as well. So let's go and remove this CSS. Let's add a paragraph, and as you can see, I don't have a Vue.js extension. So let's quickly install the extension so we can get the indentation and all the other cool features. So let's install this one. And let's go back to our code. So now we can have all the cool features. So class name, so it's going to be class, and let's go with the text 3XL font, bold and underline. And let's also do text blue 500. So Control S, and now we have to run the project one more time. So let me clear the screen. npm run dev, and let's go back to the browser and reload the page. So as you can see, our Tailwind CSS is working fine. So you can use all of the Tailwind CSS classes. So let's go with the MT10. Let's go with text center. And as you can see, everything is working fine. So I hope this video should have helped you installing Tailwind CSS in a Vue 3 application. If you face any problems in installing Tailwind CSS in a Vue 3 application, just let me know in the comments and I will try to help you out. See you in another video.